this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the cold weather package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get dual exhaust, backup camera, roof spoiler. We do get some nice black and silver accents along this vehicle, which really makes the color pop. Blind spot detection, we do get a remote start with this vehicle as well. And looking at the front, we do get that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. You got a 12-volt hook, as well as storage underneath with your spare tire. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, adjustable rear seats with plenty of door space, carpeted interior. You got rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 62,040 kilometers. We do get this heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer. We have My View, trip and fuel, status and phone, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To remember, we got a gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, auto stop, auto start, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. Got your center console with more storage underneath. Dual climate up front with heated front seats, heated steering wheel, hazards, media controls, storage in the glove compartment, and looking here at your infotainment system, we do get our audio, compass, phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got our phone controls. Any apps you may download will show over here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8116, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.